Are you having problems with cutting these long bolts? There are three most common ways to cut these long bolts, and one of these ways requires very little effort from you. Let's start this off with the normal bolt cutters. Now you can find them in literally every tool store. They can be cheap or expensive, from 5 to 50 bucks, but are they really that effective? Well, not really. You can cut bolts from M2.6 to M5, but as you could see from my experience, these bigger bolts are very hard to cut with these bolt cutters. We will try these thinner bolts. This is M3 thinner bolt, so we will just insert it right here, and let's see if we can cut this thinner bolt. This is one piece. Where is the other one? And this is the other piece. As you can see right here, we can easily cut these thinner bolts with these bolt cutters. But a little bit thicker bolt, like this one right here, you will need a bench vise to cut these thicker bolts. Now this bench vise is pretty excellent tool, and every workshop needs to have one. Now easiest way to cut this bolt is to put it in this bench vise, but to have everything fixed really good, we will use two nuts. We will just put these two nuts one against each other. Now usually this bench vise should be fixed to some hard surface, but in my case it is still not mounted. And now use this hand saw with these small teeth. These small teeth are very effective for steel cutting. Now of course this will take some time. After maybe 1 minute, we have it done. And as you can see, this cut is pretty clean. Yes, it's pretty effective way, but it's also hard work. You need to use your muscles and this hand saw to cut this bolt off, and it all takes around 1 to 2 minutes to cut this off. But there is one easier method. You can use your drill machine, and this way you don't have to do any work. Drill machine will do all work for you. Let's just take this cutting part of this saw and let's fix it right here in this bench vise. Once again, we will put these two nuts one against each other. And now this part we will insert right here in this drill machine. Now if this is not a perfect cut, then I don't know what is. Now here's a quick comparison of all three methods. Bolt cutters, it works just for small bolts. Hand saw, it works for any kind of bolts, but you have to put a little bit work in. And I think definitely the best method is this one right here with a drill machine. As you can see, this cut on this bolt is almost perfect. Now, if you want to know how to use these bolts to make a new hole in your belt, then check out this video right here. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have found some value in this video. If you did, please hit the like button so that this video can spread to more people, so it can help more people. Thank you guys, and I will see you in the next one.